Well, out here at Good Times Adventure Tours, we offer snowmobiling and dog sledding tour adventures. We go out every day, starting at 9 o'clock in the morning. We have tours depart hourly during the day until 4 o'clock. We do that. It's a 1-hour guided tour. Take up to 6 people per dog sled team. It's a relay tour. All of you will be able to take turns riding and mushing on the dogs. And it's a lot of fun. Kids are involved. You're not just going for a ride, you're participating in the tour itself. We have 150 dogs here at Good Times. We take 8 dogs per dog sled team. Each dog truly loves their job. They want to run. In fact, they get angry and they look at you funny when you don't hook them up because they really truly love to run. You can call us on our telephone, 970-453-7604. Get your last name, reserve you on a spot to go. The day you make your reservation, we'd ask that you show up a half an hour before your tour time. Got a little paperwork for you to fill out in the beginning. We offer boots and suits and helmets for all tours. If you don't have the proper gear, we have the gear here. All you really need is a good pair of warm gloves, goggles, or sunglasses, whatever you need. Walk out our back door here, get on the dog sled. Quick introduction to how the dog sled works and how the team's going to run, and away you go. You're learning as you go. Most of the guides have been here for several years. They're very passionate about their dogs and their dog teams. They're very versed in how to operate the dog sled team. They will be out in front of you on a snowmobile escorting you through our trail system and to ensure that you have a safe, pleasurable time. They're not actually on the dog sled with you. It's you alone driving a set of 8 dogs. Well, you have the lead team, which is out in the front. They're usually your smarter dogs. They listen to commands, the G for right, the Ha for left, the Whoa, and the Go. The dogs closest to the dog sled are the wheel team. Those are usually your biggest dogs, and they have the most power. So, and then it goes in progression up to the front. People that have never been to Colorado and never experienced winter activities other than skiing, dog sledding is a great opportunity to see Mother Nature at its finest on the back of a dog sled team. It's also pretty cool to go home and ask people, your friends, what did you do on your Christmas vacation or your winter vacation? We went dog sledding. We drove a team of Huskies through the Colorado Rockies. It's very fun, very unique experience. We have a photographer here available on site. It takes a digital picture of you and your family before you go out on tour. Those pictures are available inside our building. Before you leave, they're in a little folio up there with a scenic picture and then your family picture right next to it. We also, sell odds and ends, hats, t-shirts with our name on it, obviously, but mementos of what you've done here. We have t-shirts that say "Hike It Up," which is the command for the dogs to go, and it has a picture of dog sleds on it. We do not recommend children 3 and under, just for a safety aspect. The dog sleds it's a little bumpy out there. Sometimes they go around a corner a little fast. But anybody 4 and above, we've had from 4-year-old little children to 80-year-old grandmas mushing the dogs. The guide's primary care and responsibility out there is your safety. They also want you to have fun, so they're not going to put you in any harm's way whatsoever. They're going to make sure you have a memorable experience out here at Good Times. Dogs are very friendly. They love attention. Some of them are actually shy. When you walk up to them, they kind of bow their heads a little bit. They're not scared of you, they're just shy, but they are very people-oriented and they love what they do.